Hello guys, this is Sagar and welcome to my channel Data Driven Dive. And today I am back again with yet another super trick of Excel. So in this video we'll discuss about another pivot table trick, and today we have very big data and we have some client requirements also. I'll discuss about this. So before that I want to tell you why I am doing so many videos on pivot table, because pivot table is a very important feature in Excel, and it is a very big topic and there are so many things to do with pivot table. Okay, so what this is our sales data, and in the data we have so much of rows. Like we can say that we have 9,994 rows. Like we can say we have near about 10,000 rows, and we have so many columns. Like we have 21 columns. You can see here it is a U column, so we can say we have 21 column. And what we have in the data, so first we will discuss about the data. So first we have row id, it's just simple row id, then we have order id, then we have order date, then we have ship date, then we have ship mode. It is like basically some shipping company data, so that we have ship date on that, on which date that segment will be shipped, or that you can say in which country, city, on what is the order id, what is the order date. Like this is some data. Then we have customer id, we have customer names also. You can see here we have different names, we have some common names as well. Then we have segment, it is consumer or home, office, and corporate. There are different segments. Then we have country, so country is only United States. We can see that by applying filter. So for applying filter you can just simply click Control Shift L, so your filter is applied, so you can see country, so we have only United States here. Then we can see cities, we have different cities here. Then we have state, so in state also we have different states. Okay, you can see here. Then we have postal code of that particular region. Then we have region either south, west, east, or central. Then we have product id, so we have some products. So for related to that product we have category, subcategory, and product id. Okay, so what is category? We have different categories like furniture, office supplies, and technology. And then we have different subcategories like accessories, appliances, art, binder, bookcases, like that. And we have particular product id for that category. Then we have product name also. Then we have sales, quantity, discount, and profit. So this is our like sales data. We can say what is sales, what is the quantity, what is discount offered, and what is the profit earned by company. So this is our data, and we have discussed all the things about our data. Then what is our client requirement? So client says that prepare subcategory wise customer sales report on individual sheet. Okay, so what client is trying to say, we have different subcategories in that. Let's go to subcategory column. Okay, we have different subcategories like accessories, appliance, art, binders. So what client wants? He wants customer wise sales, like he wants customer sales and subcategory, but he want customer wise sales for different subcategories in different sheet. What does it mean? Like accessories in different sheet, appliance in different sheet, art in different sheet, binders in different sheet, bookcase in different sheet, and so on. So how we can do that? We can do that by using pivot table. You can say like, sir, if I am going to do that, it will take me whole day. No, it will not take a whole day. It will just take 15 to 20 minutes if you learn that particular trick. Okay, so let's start. So first we have to create pivot table. So put your cursor anywhere in the data and just go to insert, click on pivot table, and click here from table range. Okay, so that pop-up will come onto your screen. You have to select the table. So first we have to give the table range. So this is our table, so we can select the table like that. We can give overall table in our data. So this is our table, and I want to create my pivot table on new worksheet. So click here on new worksheet and click on OK. So this is your pivot table. In that pivot table, what we have to do, we have to give customer name, sales, and subcategory. And how we can do that? There is a catch. First, we have to give customer name. Click on this. So customer name is automatically taken into rows. If you want in column, then you can take it into columns. But now I want it in rows only. Okay. Then I want sales as well. So drag that sales into values, and I want sum of sales. If client says I want average, maximum, minimum, so you can change according to that. But now client says sales, sum of sales. Okay, so click on OK. So we have different customer and sum of sales according to that particular customer. So how many customers we have? We can go till down and we can see here there are a lot of customers, and we can say we have 796 customer in that particular sheet. Okay, so let's take subcategory also, but we can put subcategory in filters. Okay, so you have subcategory in filters. So now you have to create different sheet for different subcategories. So how we can do that? So you have two options above: pivot table, analyze, and design. Okay, go to analyze option. In analyze option, you can see options here. Go here and go to show report filter pages. Okay, see this very carefully because it is very important. I'll uh, explain it again. Go to pivot table, analyze. Okay, go to options and go to show report filter pages. Okay, in report filter pages you have subcategory, because we have only put subcategory in filters because we want subcategory wise sales data according for all customers. Okay, so click on that and click on OK. The moment you click, all the sheets have been created according to subcategories. You can see this is accessories, this is appliances, this is art, this is binder, this is bookcases, this is chairs, this is copiers, envelopes, and we can see fasteners. We can see more furnishings, labels, machines, paper, phones, storage, supplies, tables, and we have blank also because we have blank in the sheet. You can filter it out if you don't want it. Then we have sheet one on which we have created a pivot table. Then we have orders, which is our particular main data sheet, and this is our client requirement sheet. What client says: prepare subcategory as customer sales report on individual sheet. Okay, so we have created all the subcategory wise sales data on individual sheet. Okay, so you can see in accessories we have 477 customer. In appliances we have 359 customers. So, and here is one more thing I want to tell. If client want more data, like if client want customer ID also, so we can put it in columns, so customer ID is also visible to you. Okay, if you don't want to put it in columns, because in columns it looks something messy, so you can put it here also. So below customer you have customer ID also. Okay, so for now I will just delete it. If client word city or country, so you can add city or country as well. So you can see according to customer ID you have city, then you have country, then you have different data. So you can do as client want, and you can save your time as well. Okay, so this is the trick I want to explain. So thank you for today, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. I will bring some more tricks on pivot table as well as another features of Excel. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.